Hi everybody, welcome back to Just Doing Nails, and today I'm going to do a quick review on the Revlon ColorStay Gel Envy Polish, and this one is number 620 Roulette Rush. So I'm going to be using my practice hand today, and I'm going to start by filing down the replaceable tips of the practice hand. You want to make sure that whenever you are applying tips with glue to these practice hands, that you are first filing down that surface. That will help the tips stick. So I know a lot of people have issues with, putting tips on there and things like that. But if you file it down really good and wipe it off with some alcohol before you put the tip on, it should work just fine. Another thing to keep in mind when you're applying tips to this practice hand is you want to have some good glue. And I use this KDS glue here. It works really great. And I'm going to put that link for the glue in the description for you guys. In case you're looking for some good glue, I would definitely recommend that one. And I also want to point out that when you're putting these tips on there, you want to make sure that the tip kind of overlaps the practice hand finger a little bit more. And that way, that will help it stick as well. I also want to add one more thing about this glue. It's very powerful. So if you are using it, do not get it on your skin because it adheres quickly. So I just want you guys to keep that in mind. All right, let's get to what we came for. So now I'm going to apply the first layer of the polish. And I wanted to do a review on this polish because it's actually very nice polish. It's very rich when you apply it. The color is the color that, that's advertised. You don't really have to do 2 coats, but I went ahead and did 2 coats on this finger just to make sure that, it's completely opaque and that you guys can see the full rich color of it. And so I just did a second coat really fast. And I wanted to mention too, another bonus about this polish is that it only takes about 15 to 30 seconds for it to dry. So here's the final look in comparison to the bottle. And also, you guys, I wanted to do a review on this polish because, it's just a regular polish you can get at like Walmart, Walgreens, because I know not everybody has a gel lamp. So I wanted to let you guys know that there are other options out there that work really great. If you really enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you guys next time.